Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick get ready with me video. I just washed my WowAfrican unit, so I want to go ahead and straighten it, and then I'm just doing a very quick makeup look, everyday makeup. This is not a tutorial, this is the way I do my makeup. So yeah, just continue to watch. And this completes my simple everyday hair and makeup look. Make sure you click the link below to get your hands on this WowAfrican unit, and make sure to stop on by. I will be definitely uploading more videos with different hairstyles and other things. Thanks for stopping by. See you next time.